Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to generate AI images in Canva. So it's basically text to image. If you type a prompt, we will be getting an AI image generated for us. So first thing, just go to your Canva homepage and you'll be having this create a design. Let me select that and I will go with YouTube thumbnail. And inside this, to the left, we will be having this design elements text, right? Just scroll down and you'll be having something called as apps. Click that, and in the apps, if you just scroll down, you'll be having something called as text to image. So if you scroll down and create something new also, you'll be having this text to image, and if you can't find this, you can just search it over here. So you need to just click on this, and here you can see you'll be having describe the image you want and we will create it for you. So this is the place where we will be typing the prompt and Canva will generate for us. And another cool thing is that whenever we are writing the prompt, we need to like fully specify whether it's going to be a cartoon or a 3D model or it's going to be like anime kind of thing. But in Canva, it has a much better way of specifying that. So under styles, you'll be having something called as filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy and anime. And there is more. If I click on see all, I'll be getting these many styles of AI images to be generated. So you don't want to like specify that in the text, you just need to click based upon your use case. I find it really cool, and I really wish every text to image generating site has this feature. Rather than typing in the prompt, they need to have an option like this. So this is so cool, and let me just now go and generate image. So yeah, and it also has aspect ratio, whether it's going to be square, landscape and portrait. So for the first thing, let me go with a watercolor one, and in case if you don't have any idea or prompt, you can just click on try an example. So it says vintage poster of motorcycle. I will go with another one. So you can just keep on going with this, but let me just type a prompt. Let me just go with New York City. That's it. This is going to be prompt, and I have it as watercolor. So I'll just go with landscape as the aspect ratio, and I'll just click on create your image. So this is what I get. I got 4 images, and you can basically just drag them into your work area like this. So by this way, you will be able to like edit this. This looks super cool. So I've given the prompt as watercolor, and this is enough, right? This looks so clean, and anything that works well isn't going to be free, right? Same as this also. Here you can see this is like 48 credits. So for each image we use, I think it's gonna take 1 credit from us, and if you can just upgrade it to Canva Pro, you'll be able to get 500 monthly text to image. I think it's worth it to do it if you are gonna use Canva with AI images. It's surely good. And let me go and generate some another image. Okay, I'll go back. For going back, you have this go back option. Click that, and this time let me go with 3D. Yeah, I'll go with 3D with the same prompt, New York City, so that we will be able to distinguish what Canva gives us. And it's 48 credits now, so it needs to be 47. Yeah, this is what I get. This is cool. This is seriously so cool. We are getting literally a 3D thing over here, and you can just like drag it and drop it over here. So this is Canva, and in case if you are wondering what model Canva uses both OpenAI and Stable Diffusion. I think OpenAI is for that magic text thing, and Stable Diffusion is exclusive for the image generation process. And if you don't want any styles, you can just select none, and I will go with the same prompt, and let's see what we get. Yeah, so this is what I get for none, and I think this looks kind of cool. This is so cool, seriously. Yeah, and in case if you don't have any good prompts in your mind, what you can do is you can just go to some other text to image site. For example, you can go to Leonardo AI. In this, you'll be having many images to scroll, and if I just click on a particular image, so I'll just click this, we will be having the prompt of that image. So in case if you don't have any prompts, you can just like basically copy this prompt and go to Canva, and you can just like paste it over here. And this is of watercolor, I guess. Yeah, so it's watercolor painting, so I'll just go with the same watercolor, and I'll just click on create image. So this is what we get. Yeah, the images are different because the models are different, but In case if you like this image, you can just use it. Okay, all right, rather than typing it out something, it still does the work for us. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in AI related stuff and programming in general. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.